Good evening, learners. Today we are revising a NEC paper for CA or Computer Application 1, that is for Diploma in ICT Module 1. And with me here I have a NEC paper for July series of 2018. Now we are going to tackle task 3, and it's about database. So let us get into it. Now task 3 says Mamboleo Training Institute is enrolling students for the 3rd academic semester. The management would like to set up a database to ensure the smooth running of the institution. Perform the following tasks. Open a database program and create a database named enrollment. Save the database in the NEC exam folder. So let us go and open up a database program. So we are using Access. We go to Access, you just write Access there. Then you open it. Now you come to blank here, click blank, then blank database. The file name we have been told is enrollment. So you write enrollment, like that. Then you click create. Yes, click create. Now we have our database here. It is written enrollment here, enrollment database. Just like that. Now they're telling us we're going to save our work in the next example, but that is we are going to do it later. Now create question B, create each of the following tables in the database created. I had prepared something here. These are the tables. We have the student table. Again, we have the department table, which is called depart table. Then we have the course table. And if you can observe, we have a field name, we have the data type, we have the size. It has given us the size, we've been given the data type, we've given the field again for this one, and the course table down below. Now let us create them. Now how do we create a table in a database? First of all, just come here, table 1, right click, go to design view, like that. Now it says table name, save as table name, so you give the name of the table. Now the first table is students table, so you write here students table. Now when you click OK, it brings you to this page where we have the field name, the data type, and the description. Now we are going to focus on the field name and the data types. Now the first field name for students table is admission number, so you write here admission number. Now the data type is number, so you change, you click here, the down arrow, you go to number. The second is SNAME, which is surname. Data type is text, like that, and the size is 15, so you change from this point here, right, 15. Then you go to the next one, MNAME. The data type is text. The field size, change from that point, is 10. Go to the next one, gender. Data type is text. The field size is 10. Now we're done with that table. After we're done with that table, you just right click, you say save. No, it says close. close like that. When you double click on this table, you have your table here which has admission number, S name, M name, and gender. Now let us create the second table. You come to create, you click create, then you click table. You have it here. Right click at this table 1 here, go to design, view. So table name, depart table, right? Depart table, depart table, like that. Press OK. Bring us to this point where we design now. We put our fields. So the first field is dep code. Dep code. Dep code. Data type is text. Text. And dep name. Dep name. The data type is text again, but the size is 25. So you write 25. Okay. Then we move on. HOD. Data type is text. The field size is 25. Move to admission number. The data type is number, like that, and we're done. So you come here, right click, say close. Do you want to save the changes? Say yes. Now there we go. We have two tables, that is student table and depart table. Then let us move on to the last table which we've been given. We have it here. The last table was course table. Course table, which has these fields. So let us move. Go to create table. Then right click, design view. The table is called course table. Course table. Say OK. Now you go and you put the fields. Course ID, course ID. Data type is number. No size, field size. Move on to course name. Course name. Course name. Course name, which should be text, but the field size we're told is 30. Like that. Go down there. Dep name, text, field size 25. Go to admission number, and the data type is number. The data type is number. Then you come here and say close. Do you want to save the changes? You say yes, like that. So you have 3 tables: student table, department table, course table. Now you might want to arrange your table according to the type. So you come here, click, you go to object type, like that, so that they are arranged as tables. Now the second question tells us the second question asks us, create 2 data entry forms, one from the table named student table, one from the table named student table, and the other from the 2 tables named department and course table. Save the form as student data and depart data respectively. Now we're being told to come up with data entry forms for student table. So when you're told to come up with a form, first of all you open the table. So let us open the table. You double click the table, then you open it. Then you come to create. Now there are different types of forms. There's this form, it's a split form, and many others. I like split forms here because when you click on split form, it gives you two views of the window, such that you can see how you enter your data, and again you can see your form here. So let us resize it so that it can be a little bit nice. So we have it there. So we have student table form here, then we have the table itself. So when we add something here, it's going to be shown as it adds. So this one should be called student data. So right click on this form here, right click, says close, like that. You say yes, you want to save it. Now this form name comes here, you want to now give a name, so you delete that one. You're told that that should be student data. Student data, say okay. Now our form student data has been created, where we'll be filling the student table. Good. Now let us move on to the next. We create a table for the department, a form for the department. So you open the department table, you go to create split form, like that. You can decide your split form should have different colors. You can take a color from here. You can take a more nicer one. I don't know if this one is nice. Okay. Let us take that one. Okay, you can have that. So resize it so that it can fit very well. Then right click on this here, close, you say yes, then you give it a name. You're told it should be called deeper data. So you give the name that you have been given from the paper. So you say okay. Now let us create the last form.